Welcome to our channel where today we simplify activating your American Airlines AAdvantage card with a quick and easy method. Welcome to our channel. If you have just received your American Airlines AAdvantage card, activating it is your next task, and we're here to guide you through the fastest way possible. First, ensure you have your card handy along with your personal identification details. The easiest method to activate your card is by using the official American Airlines website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the American Airlines AAdvantage activation page. Once there, you will be prompted to enter your card number, which is the 15-digit number printed on the front of your card. After entering the card number, you'll need to provide some personal information to verify your identity. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, and sometimes the last 4 digits of your social security number or your member ID if you already have one. Once all the details are correctly entered, submit the form. The system will validate your information and immediately activate your card if all details are correct. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the activation number on the back of your card. This option is quick and convenient if you prefer speaking to a customer service representative or if you encounter any issues online. When you call, have your card and personal information ready to verify your identity over the phone. For frequent travelers, activating your AAdvantage card promptly ensures you can start earning miles quickly on your flights and enjoy member benefits without delay. Remember, keeping your card active and linked with your AAdvantage account is essential for managing your rewards seamlessly. Now you know the step-by-step process to activate your American Airlines AAdvantage card quickly and effectively. Don't forget that the key is having all your information ready for a smooth and hassle-free activation experience. Finally, make sure to follow the steps immediately after receiving your card so you can start enjoying all the travel perks that come with being an American Airlines AAdvantage cardholder. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips.